Of course, my dog would be barking when I start recording. As soon as I start recording, she starts barking. So if you hear Sugar downstairs, guys, that's my dog. That's my poodle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown, and I'm so glad to have you guys here today. I wanted to share just 5 quick and easy headband tutorials or headband looks. I have one too many headbands. Like, look at this. I've been obsessed with headbands. They're so in, it's trendy, it's cute, it helps with not having to wash your hair so much, and there's so many different ways to wear them, and I really hope that these don't go out of style so soon, because I have too many headbands and it would be such a waste. I will link all of these down below for you guys. I love these. I love the headband trend, and I am full swing into them. And let's just hop straight into the tutorial. They're gonna be easy, they're gonna be quick, and really perfect just to help you not have to wash your hair so often, right? I mean, who doesn't love that, right? Like, yes, give me not having to wash my hair, especially with the extensions. Like, it's so much hair. I do want to mention that your hair does not have to be straight. It can also be curly. Some of these styles would look super cute also if your hair is curly or has a little bit of wave to it. My hair is straight, and to be honest, TBH, I'm too lazy to curl it all. So I'm just going to share the tutorials with you guys with my hair straight. So anyways, let's get to the tutorials. So there you have it. Those are the headband looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you have not, and thumbs up this channel. I will see you guys here real soon. Bye.